Hello everyone. Now I am going to make gravy chowmein.
First boil the chowmein for about 10 minutes and spread it over a plate so that they don't stick to each other. Then I have chopped all the vegetables. You can see onion, capsicum, carrot and finely chopped garlic and ginger. In a pan, add the oil and then add the finely chopped garlic and then ginger. Then add chopped onions, capsicum and carrot one by one. And add little salt and little sugar and stir well. And here I am adding Maggi masala. Then add little vinegar and soya sauce. And you can add tomato sauce also. And stir well. Then add proper amount of water and cover it for 5 to 7 minutes. In another pan, add the oil and also you can fry the boiled chowmein. Then after 5 minutes, add corn flour, mix in water and pour it over the gravy. Cook it for 5 minutes till a thick gravy remains.
Now it's ready to serve.